Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I want to talk to you about this pig. Ew, it's nasty. All right, I'm joking. I'm sorry about that. I really want to talk about this. I saw this online. I saw no one mentioned it yet. I thought Sal would talk about it, SalivateMetal, if you don't subscribe to him. I thought he would mention this. So I figured since no one's talking about it, I want to talk about it because now it's in my wish list. This is a 10-ounce bar from the Royal Mint. That's the British Royal Mint. It looks really cool. I'm guessing these dark parts of the bar are going to be a mirror finish, which would be really interesting. But it might not be, so I guess we'll find out. But I like the waves. I like the writing. I really like the image of Britannia. Silver Limey 79, if you're watching this, check this out. I know you have to love this. This is really cool. Britannia on the bottom. It has the shield here with like part of the, I guess you can call it the British flag symbol. I'm not sure about the proper terminology. She has the trident there. Her, I don't know what that is, kind of like armor plate, hair, helmet, kind of like a centurion vibe going on with the wave lines. I really like this bar and I really want it, and I think I'm gonna get it. But I'm kind of at my limit for 2018 for silver, so I don't know if I really want to do that. But I do know this is definitely going to be my wish list. If I don't get it this year, I'll probably get it next year. So I just want to show it off, show it to you guys. Let me know if you're going to get one of these. If so, please make an unboxing because I want to see it. We're talking about the same mint that gave you the Griffin of Edward, the same mint that gave you the Lion of England, the Red Dragon of Wales, the Unicorn of Scotland, the Bull, the Black Bull of Clarence. And this thing, this mint, this mint is giving us a really cool looking bar. And shameless plug here, I'm going to drag this window in here. I have a playlist called The Queen's Beasts, and it's only 3 videos long. And I have every single one of the coins I just showed you from the Queen's Beast series, and I do a review on them all. And if you could check them out, that'd be great. Leave a comment and like and all that stuff. Let me know if you're planning on getting this one. If you do, please drop a video for it. I want to see it. I'm Southside Stacker. See you all in the next one.